Hello, I'm Peter Von Easem from Kootenai Extreme Hunting Adventures. Today we're going to teach you how to gut a fish. If you haven't watched us before, please hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the bell notification and you'll never miss a video that we put out in the future. Thanks for watching today. First thing you want to do is get a good grip on your fish. Then run your knife from its butt all the way up its belly in between the fins. All the way up to where you can see I finish off here near the gills. Now that the fish is opened up, you can see all the guts that are inside it. There's not really a whole lot in there. You can grab those with your hand and just pull them out. Next thing you're going to do is we're going to work on the gills. There's a little piece of connective tissue right there. You're going to cut that, and then we'll work on going down on an angle to get the rest of the gills. I usually hold my fish upside down for this part. It makes it a little easier to hold on to. And put my knife in behind the last gill and just run it up along the body there until you cut the connective tissue off. Once you do this process to both sides, you'll be able to grab onto the gills with your fingers and pull everything out. If for some reason it sticks in there, there's just a little bit of tissue that's still connected. Some people leave the head on until they get home. It's really up to you. If you don't want the head on, just stick your knife back to where the gills were and just cut straight through and the head will pop off. Once all the big stuff's cleaned up out of the fish, just open it up once more. You'll take a look and you'll see a dark line right along the spine of the fish. Just take the tip of your knife, run it down that dark line gently, and then you can wash the rest out just with your fingers. You can see it's nice and clean on the inside of the fish now. It's just about ready for your barbecue. The last thing that I like to do at the lake is I like to scale it. All you have to do to scale your fish is run your knife perpendicular to the fish and just drag it from the tail towards the head. You can tell when the scales are off because the fish will have a dull look to it instead of a bright and shiny look.